Hey Aaron, here's some water. Should we tell everybody what the Daniels do on a Saturday night? First of all, we keep you up past your bedtime. And then we dug out all the train pieces that we have. Mommy and Daddy took over the train tracks. You're just busy pushing your trains on the table. Look it, see? Push it up the hill. Check out that cool bridge. Go for it, buddy. Up over the bridge. Good job. Oh, you lost your cargo.
With those ramps, you can build another line later.
Fine. What happened, Aaron?
The Soder Village?
I don't know. It's whatever you want it to be. Okay, hope they don't derail. Oh, Mama engineered that curve pretty badly. That's dead man's curve. You got any more straight pieces there? I could make it straight. Got all kinds of stuff going on here. Your dad's building tracks to nowhere.
Those are semi-loading ramps.
Okay.
That's where the semis back up and load stuff onto the freight.
Fine. That's right, Aaron. Okay. Don't put your cracker in the box.
I'll get the camera off so I can play. Where's my underwear?
Homemade pizza night and train night.
Doesn't need it.
Okay, well, anyway. You better go to bed pretty soon, Aaron. It's 9 o'clock. Yeah, that's Percy on the box. Yep. Good boy. Okay, Aaron. Say bye.
Play it?